My name is Madison Taylor, and I'm in the IDT 7061 class, and I'm here to talk about 2 ways we can use video recording in the classroom. So one way is to just simply record your lessons. I think this would be a great tool to use for whenever students are absent. You could upload these lessons onto a classroom website, and that way the students can watch them from home, and so when they return to the classroom, they're not too far behind academically. Another way we could use video recording is through a project. I think it would be really neat to have students create a news broadcast reporting on a historical event that you've been talking about, and that's a really great way to assess them, to make sure they really understood the content and the important key events that happened that led to whatever you may be talking about. So these are just 2 ways you can use video recording in your classroom that really encourage learning among your students.